Hi, buddy. What you doing? Can you say all the words you know? Can you say apple?
Apple.
Good job. What about dada? Can you say dada?
Dada.
Good job. Can you say papa?
Papa.
What about auntie?
Auntie.
Good job. Can you say Nessie?
Auntie.
Good job. Where you going? You gonna go see Nessie? What you doing, bud? Come back over here. Come get Dada.
Come here, mister. Come
That's
here.
a dog. That's not Dada.
Dog. Come here, mister. Come on.
Come back here. Hi, bud.
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm the mama.
Leo, where's your cup? Are you thirsty?
Where's your drink?
You
It's
gonna
over
get
there.
your-
Go get
your
it.
milk?
Is that yummy, bud? It's almost bedtime, huh? You sleepy? You want to go night-night? You want to watch Raffi?
You wanna watch Raffi, buddy?
Leo, are you sleepy? Night-night? Can go and start Raffi over again and you can go night-night? Hey, Leo.
Nana.
Night-night.
Nana.
Do you want to go show everyone your room? Let's go see your room. Come on. Leo, let's go see your room.
Where's your blanket?
Is that Raffi?
Papa.
Raffi, that's right. You love your Raffi, huh?
Cat.
Cat, good job.
Cat.
Yeah, that's a cat. Oh, good job, buddy. You closing it?
Papa.
Raffi, that's right.
Sissy.
Fishes, that's right. Daddy's feeding your fish. You ready to go night-night?
Yeah.
Cat, that's right. Can you say goodnight? Say night-night. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Get your blanket.
You get your blankie going night-night? Leo,
Leo.
let's
get
go
your
night-night.
blanket. Come on, buddy. Get your blanket. There you go.
Got your corner.
And nowadays, because that great river is so polluted,
Okay.
the beluga numbers
Let's put you night-night, alright?
have declined so much that they're on the endangered species list.
Come here, you.
You gotta brush those twofers.
I need people to now understand that it's how we live that affects the world around us and those that we love.
Yeah.
What I also find encouraging is that children are getting together on their own and forming groups to help clean up their world. And it's true.
You gonna brush?
And I've asked some local kids to come up on stage, take a bow, and sing with me tonight.
Can you say bye-bye, Leo? I'm gonna turn off the camera, okay? Leo. Doesn't that tickle? Leo. Leo, sweetie. Say bye-bye.
It's called
Say
Bye-bye.
We